Solve the following pair of simultaneous equations. Show all working to support your answer. Here we have 2x plus y is equal to 18, and we have 3y minus 4x is equal to -1. And so the first thing that we're going to do is we label this one as equation 1, and we label this one as equation 2. Next, we have to make y the subject of equation 1. So notice that we have equation 1 here. And so we're going to take y and we're going to make it the subject of equation 1. How are we going to do this? Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to send the 2x over the equal sign. And so this gives us y is equal to 18 minus 2x. It was a positive 2x. When we send it over the equal sign, it becomes a negative 2x. And so we have y is equal to 18 minus 2x, and we're going to call this equation 3. Next, we're going to substitute equation 3 into equation 2 and solve for x. So here we have equation 3, all right? And we're going to take this equation and substitute it into equation 2. Notice that we have explicitly what y is, and so we're going to take that and we're going to substitute that into this equation 2. And so notice that we have 3y minus 4x equals to -1. And remember that y is equal to 18 minus 2x. So we're going to substitute that into this equation right here. And so we have 3 times 18 minus 2x minus 4x is equal to -1. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to distribute. We're going to say 3 times 18, and we're going to do 3 times -2x. And so 3 times 18 is 54, and 3 times -2x is a -6x, and we have a -4x is equal to -1. Next, what we're going to do here is we're going to say -6x minus 4x. What is that? Well, that's going to be -10x. All right, so we combine these like terms. -6x minus 4x is -10x, and we still have the 54 here. The next thing we're going to do, because we're trying to solve for x, is we're going to take the 54 and we're going to send it over the equal sign. It was a positive 54, but when we send it over, it becomes a -54. And so what we have now is -10x is equal to -1 minus 54. And -1 minus 54 is definitely -55. And so we have -10x is equal to -55. We're going to divide both sides of this equation by -10. This cancel with that, so we have that x is equal to -55 divided by -10. So that means that x is equal to positive 5.5. That's what x is. So we found what x is. Now we need to figure out what y is. So the next step is we have to substitute x is equal to 5.5 into equation 3, right? And solve for y. Remember that equation 3 states that y is equal to 18 minus 2x. And so wherever we see x, we're going to put 5.5. So we're going to substitute x into the value of x into this equation. And so we have y is equal to 18 minus 2 times 5.5. What is 2 times 5.5? Well, that's 11. So y is equal to 18 minus 11. And so that means that y is equal to 7. And so our answer here is x is equal to 5.5 and y is equal to 7. And that's our answer to this question.